Happy Friday. This is Mrs. D with another screencast to show you what we'll be doing for math today. We're going to do just a quick review worksheet to practice making multiples of 10. So yesterday, everyone did a really nice job with Hit the Target. It was a great way to practice our math facts while discussing multiples of 10. So here on this worksheet, it says for each problem, tell how many dots must be added to fill the 10 frame. So we have here a 10 frame. When all of these boxes are full, there would be 10 dots because there's 10 boxes. However, some of these 10 frames are not full. And our answer will be how many dots we need to add in to make a full 10 frame. So for number 1, we have 5 dots that are there and we have 5 open spaces. So our answer to make that full 10 would be 5. I'm going to go ahead and add in the numbers when I post this to Seesaw. The number model would then be 5 plus 5 equals 10. We needed 5 dots to add into the 10 frame to make a full 10. Okay, so then we would go on to number 2. We have 3 dots. How many more dots would you need to make a full 10? And then when we get down to number 3, we have 2 10 frames. We have a double 10 frame. All right, so that is going to be 10 plus another 10, which would equal 20. So whatever answer we figure out that we need to write to fill in the next full multiple of 10, for this one, our number model would equal 20. Same for number 4. Number 5 and number 6 are a little more challenging. They go into 3 10 frames and then 5 10 frames. So just try your best to figure out how many dots you need to make that next full multiple of 10. As always, boys and girls, if you have questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I will try to answer your question. I hope that you have a fun Friday and a great weekend. Bye.